Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laquelle. If this is your first time here, I don't know why I said my name like that, but my name is Laquelle. If this is your first time here, okay, rewind. As you can see from the title, I just did my makeup because I'm cute. Honestly, I think like I might call this video a matte finish because your girl, this is cute. Like my skin looks great. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I have like some blemishes, but it's okay. I look good, okay? And plus I just did my hair. If you have not already seen this video, I'll link it in the description box below. If you want to see me create this look right here, right here, just keep watching. So we're gonna just get into this makeup tutorial. I'm gonna be working out of my drawers, so if you see me looking over here and digging, I'm not pulling it out because I'm at my desk. It's easy for me to just pull out and take what I need. I'm going to try this. It's Glam Glow Nude Glow. So I'm basically gonna place this on my face as a moisturizer. It smells really good, you guys. And today I'm going to try to do like my foundation first and then go in and do my eyebrows, and we're gonna see how that works. So for foundation, I'm going to go in with, you already know, L'Oreal. I don't know, I just been like loving this foundation lately. Like it's been like it for me. I don't know about for you guys. I never really color correct anymore. I just like put foundation on, which I should start color correcting because I do have some problematic spots that I need to get rid of, or that I need to be covering, and I don't be covered. So highlight and contour, I'm going to go in with the ColourPop. And I'm going to just put some on my face, y'all. And I haven't even done my eyebrows yet, but it's okay. We'll do it after this. There's no order to makeup as long as you put your base on first, Shorty. You Gucci. You feel me? So, I'm happy I took the time to do my hair, even though it's not like perfect, but it's like messy. And it's still like cute. Like wait till I do my makeup, y'all. It's gonna be bomb. Like, so you guys, if you guys know, in my last apartment I had 2 rooms. I had a studio. My filming room was like my studio, well, my studio slash filming room. You know, here it's huge as fuck. Like I can record out in the living room, but you will always hear my AC. And I'm like trying to get used to filming in my room because my apartment back in Alaska, when I first started making my YouTube videos, I always recorded in my room in a little space, you know. For like my lights, like right here I just have my ring light and then another light right here. It's still a lot, you know what I mean? So I mean, it's still a little compact space, but out in the living room you always heard the AC cut on, and I was just like over it. And in my room you really can't hear it, but you can hear it. So for the other concealer, I'm going to put a little bit of, so the first concealer that I put in was dark 42. Now I'm gonna put in dark 36 just to brighten it up a little bit. So I'm so mad because we don't have Wi-Fi here, and so like our Wi-Fi isn't getting set up until I go back to work, and now I'm gonna have to go to the clubhouse because I used all my hotspot, use the Wi-Fi there to upload my video for tomorrow, which is my makeup collection. So if you guys have yet to see that video, I'll leave it in the description box below. I've been doing good. I have like this calendar now, you guys. I've been like being way more productive than normal. I know it's like all mind over matter, and if I want to do it, I'll do it. But something about actually writing down your day, your week, your month makes your life go a lot easier. So like, I've been like writing down things that I need to do. Like, so for the contour, I'm going to go in with ColourPop in the color 56. And I'm going to put some on the back of my hand, and then I'm just going to work off of that. We are going to set the face, honey. For powder, I'm going to go in with the Sacha Buttercup. And you guys, I have to be careful with this. Let me use this rag because y'all know this can get everywhere. Of course I get some in my hair. It's inevitable to not get it in your hair, huh? Of course it's gonna happen, huh? Okay. Going to wipe it off. And then to set my contour, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Bacon Blot, which I use this as my bronzer. I don't know, before I never really liked the Sacha Buttercup. It made my skin too blotchy a little bit. Like maybe because of the whatever primer I used. Well, not whatever. The Glam Glow, maybe that helped it, but I don't know. So right now I'm just taking some bronzer and I'm putting it in the crease of my eye. Because of course I'm not doing eyeshadow. I was going to, but I might save that video to do tomorrow. Next, we gonna spray the face. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe first. And then I'm going to go in with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. Shake her up. Oh. Well, my skin looks good. It looks really good. We're just gonna put some brow gel on. This is the Kai brow gel. So I watered my waterline. I'm going to put on some lashes, y'all, and your girl will be right back. She'll be right back. I'm going to put some bottom lash primer on because my lashes is the shit, y'all, and my bottom lashes gotta be popping as well. I wish I had like Kim K's bottom lashes. Her lashes is long as shit. So it's literally 9:53 and I ain't got shit to do tonight, but look cute. So while that is drying, I'm going to go in with some lip. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to go in with NYX brown eyeliner. You guys know I like to put eyeliner on my lips because it goes on smoother. So I feel like I haven't done a matte lip in so long, but I don't know how I'm gonna feel about a matte lip with this. Oh, okay, so brown sugar's a no-go. Let's go in with Naked. Okay. Okay, this is a velvet. I'm actually gonna go in with Club Hopper just to define the bottom lip a little bit more. My skin looks amazing, you guys. Like, I'm not even just saying that. Like, my skin, sis, looks good. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look right here. I didn't put on no highlighter. I didn't think I needed to because I'm like popping right now, okay? Like, my hair is cute, something new. My lashes is on fully. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you are not already part of the squad. Hit that bell so that you will be notified when I post the next video, because I'm coming for y'all with the videos. Like, I'm trying to be consistent. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah!